Hello, Ricky Tang here. You see me with my latest camera recording contraption. It's a GoPro head strap. I've got a battery in the back, hanging out the back, which you can't really see. There's a cable, you might be able to just see that. So yeah, you can see me while I go about my bodgery fun and games on my motorbike. Now, today what I want to do, and I'm going to go away from the mirror now, bye-bye. I'm going to remove the rear sprocket and the hub from the Bros back end so I can have a look at the cush drive rubbers. Well, I say have a look, I'm sure they need replacing, so I'm taking those out and I'll be replacing them. And I think I'll also put the front wheel back on the bike to make it a bit easier to move the bike around and to free up my jack for other jobs. Right. So I don't know how many places this chain guard is mounted. But also got clips for the brake hose, which is going to be a bit of fun because this isn't going back on. I've got myself a new hugger, which is just hidden away in there under the desk. You can't see it, just about there maybe. So that's going on, but that doesn't seem to have any provision for these clips, so I've got to get that sorted out at some point. Anywho, let's get some spannering done. Yeah, so we got a 46mm socket to find, and I don't think I got one. Here comes the sprocket. Sprocket! Oh, there you go. Awesome, look how easy that was. So, that's the end of the show for the rear hub for now. I'll have to order a 46mm socket for that bad boy. So next, front wheel. Position the fork between the fork legs, insert the axle through the left fork leg, push all the way through. What have I forgotten to do? I forgot to apply thread lock to the disc bolts. Clever guy. Oh no. I just tried to stop the mirror from falling down randomly off my punch bag, and the disc bolt fell off the Allen key while I was at it. Did not hear it, did not see it. It is utterly gone.
5 minutes later.
We've got so far. Hey! Haha! There you are! Love it! There you go. Almost. It's hitting something. Just fighting me slightly on the last bit. Pinch bolts aren't in the way. I think a little tap from the hammer. There you go. We are in. I'll look at the manual and see what it says about removing this side cover. Right, crankcase cover removal. Drain the oil, done that. Remove the exhaust pipe, done that. Remove the clutch cable holder and disconnect the clutch cable from the clutch lifter arm. Clutch cable holder. Alright, okay, that's easy enough, just one of the bolts anyway. Loosen the oil pipe holder, remove the oil pipe bolt and sealing washers from the right crankcase cover, which is, as we know, that. Got a washer either side. And that's it. There we go, all the bolts. I'll get some blue roll. Look at this lovely blue roll. Oh my god, it's so big. So big that this doesn't even work properly to get the paper off. I don't want to bang on the crankcase directly, so what can I do? I could bang it on this. Anything happens, it's going to destroy you, isn't it? But still. Oh, it's shifted, lovely. Now I think I got a spreader. Very flexible at one end, but I might be able to. Oh, look at that! We're coming apart, baby. We're coming apart. Gloves. Oh, it's not. Oh! Hooray! Look at that! What we've got there is a mechanism to activate the clutch. First time I've seen one of those. Oh right, it comes out. If I just ruined it, I think I probably have. Yeah, sweet. Hopefully this is about as disassembled as I'll ever get this engine. So not much chance of losing these if I put them back in their threads. Not much chance, but still a chance, knowing me. Nothing much happened there. Just make sure I haven't left any bolts in. No, they're all. You can. It sounds different now. It sounds a bit hollow. It means I think they're separating slightly. Or I'm about to crack the case. Oh, I see a sliver. At last. There we go. Just thinking about it. Whee! Something happened. I heard noises. Oh my god. Goodbye, engine. Oh sh. Oh sh. Oh sh. I've got a gear that's gone loose inside here now. Which means I've really screwed something up. I can feel another gear that's gone loose. This is maybe the end of the engine. Something's holding this. Something is sprung loaded on the inside of this case. Oh, maybe it's just magnetic. Oh, there you go. It's just magnetic. Right. It's just the magnetism of the alternator. I think that's it. Something like that. Wow, what a loser. So the next bit then is I've got to take off the bloody alternator windings. Probably, if I'm going to get this shot blasted, probably a good idea that that wasn't there. So yeah, so you got to come off, that's got to come off. Whew, well, that was exciting, as is often the case when you don't look at the manual before you go and do something. Just heard back from a little earlier from the company in Gloucester that does do vapor blasting, not far from me, and they looked at a picture of this and said, yeah, that should be 40 quid. So that'll be good news. That's about that. You go over there. I'll see you tomorrow, probably. Right, done. I can't believe how crap I am, but I am quite crap, as you now know. So see you again in another video for more crapness. Yes.